Now, in this question, we have to count in which case is the number of molecules of water maximum. For the first case is 0.18 gram of water. The second case is 0.00224 liter of water vapor at 1 atom and 273 Kelvin. The third case is 18 milliliter of water, and the fourth case is 10 to the power minus 3 mole of water. So now for the first solution, we will use the formula mole into Na, which would be equals to 10 to the power minus 2. Now for the second case, the mole would be 10 to the power minus 4 Na, and for the third case it would be simply Na. Now for the fourth case, molecules of water would be 10 to the power minus 3 Na. So by this we can know that the third option, that 18 ml of water contains the maximum number of molecules of water.